I am utilizing the Bit Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bit Integration Dashboard. Create integration. Search and select Kali Forms. Copy the webhook URL and fetch it. Now go to the Kali Forms dashboard and edit the form. Go to the setting and click on Webhook. Give here a name. Create. Paste the webhook URL in the payload URL. Map the respective fields. Save. Test. Test done. Now go to Bit Integrations dashboard, and here you can see the data is fetched successfully. Set actions. Search and select an action AutomatorWP. Give here a webhook URL, so go to the AutomatorWP dashboard. Add new automation. Choose automation type anonymous. Confirm. Choose webhooks as a trigger. Received data from webhook. Copy the webhook URL and click on the Get Sample to fetch the URL. Then go back to your integration site and paste it. Body. Send all data. Choose Request Payload Application/JSON. Here are some advanced features in conditional logic you can use for your requirement. Test webhook. Webhook executed successfully. Next. Finish and save it. Go to your AutomatorWP site, and here you can see that the data fetched successfully. Save it. I want to add a new user to my WordPress site by clicking on Add New User. Now map the respective fields. Save it. Save the automation and active it. Go to the Kali Forms and fill in the form. Submit it. Form submitted successfully. Now go to the users. And here, you can see that the new user has been created successfully. Thanks for watching.